Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start right after cleansing. Make sure your face is clean and slightly damp, then perform a quick patch test if it's a new formula. Use 1-2 pumps or about 1/2 teaspoon. If the toner contains exfoliating acids, apply with your palms to avoid overabsorption by cotton. Gently press the product into skin, don't rub aggressively. Once done, wait a few seconds for initial absorption before moving to the next layer so active ingredients can work effectively. You'll now focus on application order and compatibility. Apply toner from the center of your face outward, pressing gently for about 10-15 seconds per area so it fully absorbs. If your toner is acidic, be aware it lowers skin pH. Do not pair immediately with retinol or vitamin C without spacing them out. Make sure to wait roughly 30-60 seconds between active products to reduce irritation. Once the toner settles, proceed with serums or treatments tailored to your concerns. Finish by locking in hydration. Apply your moisturizer, then in the morning follow with broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. This protects skin after active toning. Store the bottle away from direct light and heat and replace it according to the product's recommended period after opening. If you experience persistent stinging, burning, or redness, stop immediately. Rinse with cool water, skip other actives, and perform a patch test with a milder formula. If problems continue, consult a dermatologist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.